While coming to a certain age, everyone faces for personality development and searches for personality development tips. Everyone has its own qualities and traits, which make him or her unique. But still, everyone tries to improve his persona. That's when personality development comes in. Hello to all my lovely friends. I welcome to your personality development class. In this class, we will talk about personality in general and how do we develop personality development skills. Do you have any idea about what exactly personality is and how does personality develop? Think about it. No, it's okay. I'm there to help you. If you think personality means looking good and attractive, then my dear, you are absolutely wrong. Personality is a very broad term and takes into account the physical as well as the mental state of an individual. No matter where you go, be it a school or your daily working place, personality plays a very crucial role in determining your success. Now, the question is, how do we develop personality? Let's go to certain important personality development tips, which will help you to understand how to have a better personality. I will present to you 13 tips on how to develop your personality. These tricks help my personality to grow. It will certainly help yours to grow too. So without any delay, let's get started. Tip number 1. Personality does not mean that you should have looks. Yes, it's true. Personality represents the people, how you are. It is not just looks that are important and that define who are you. The personality of an individual is determined by his, her appearance, behavior, attitude, education, values, and some varying characteristics. Personality defines who are you and how you respond to various situations. It is essential to focus on the personality which matters the most. Tip number 2. Dress up well. Yes, dress up well. Focus on how you should dress up for school, office, party, or any other occasion, where according to the occasions, good looks no doubt will add to your personality, but what matters the most is how you are dressed up. It plays a major role in personality development and you look attractive also. I mean, you doesn't want to look attractive, right? So always dress up well. Tip number 3. Each person is unique. Remember that each individual is different and has his or her unique characteristics and qualities. Comparing yourself to others around only increases the distress, especially when you start focusing on where you are lacking compared to others. It is important that you channelize your own energy towards your positive traits and strengths. So, never imitate anyone. Be the one which you are in actual and never pretend. Tip number 4. Learn social skills. Only good looking will never be sufficient to take you forward in life or help you in your relationships with people. Instead, hone your social skills. The more success one has in social spheres of life, the better you would feel about yourself. Try to make use of positive gestures while interacting with others and watch out for your body language too. Never stand with hands crossed while talking. Never speak aggressively. Try to be polite all the time and most importantly, help others. Tip number 5. Do not avoid social interactions. Yes, just because you feel you aren't good looking, do not avoid meeting people. Look for opportunities, go to different events, participate in your school functions and activities, be a part of social gatherings and be proactive. The more you eschew social interaction, the worse you would feel about yourself. I would suggest you to be gregarious. This is only one of the promising personality development tips. Tip number 6. Know your positive strengths. If every individual has his or her limitations, then he or she also has positives. These positives are what you need to concentrate on. Know your strengths, acknowledge them, and work with them, and take advantage of it, and help others to attain it too. It would definitely help you to overcome your challenges and take you to a long run. Tip number 7. Get out of your comfort zone. That's my personal favorite. Be prepared to challenge yourself by learning new skills. For most students, it's a huge learning curve to start an online studies that we are having right now and doing the work on time with limited resources. So you must have a very positive, open-minded attitude and embrace any changes you need to make. Because the world is changing every hour. We do not know what's lying there for us. So get out of your comfort zone as soon as possible. Tip number 8. Don't fear failure, or don't be afraid to fail. Don't worry about making mistakes. We all do mistakes. Even I do mistakes. Everyone does it. You will also make loads in your journey, and a lot of them may hold you back for a while. But once you have made them, these methods can be eliminated only through practice and serious determination to achieve your goals and objectives of your life. And don't be afraid to fail, just try and work for it. Tip number 9. Make yourself known. Brand yourself in all your communications. It means trying to be famous. Be famous around your colleagues or your friends. Whatever content you put out, whether be a public speaker, debater, a good orator, or a person who loves to help people, is a slice of your own personality. So make sure it shows you in a positive light. It's like you're trying to sell to other people. So the more personal the message, the better the results it will give. Tip number 10. Come across as a leader. Whatever you learn and however little you know, use it well for your overall development. Become an authority on whatever topic you tackle or you work on it, and give it 100%. Then you have the knowledge to pass it on to others, and if you put your message across in the right way, you will attract followers. Express yourself and always do what you say. Don't lie to anyone and don't pretend who you are not. Tip number 11. Effort and consistency is the key throughout your life. This is linked to your daily plan, but it is the most crucial one. Start your day by planning what subjects you have to study, how much work you have to complete, and set hourly goals, weekly goals, yearly goals, and work for it every single day with proper consistency and willingness to work. Effort and regularity will win the day every single time. Tip number 12. Never give up. I know this sounds like an obvious one to end on, but there are loads of people who literally could have made through with only a few more weeks or months of effort. They had done everything right apart from seeing it through to success, and it was just that final bit of belief that prevented them. Always remember, the teacher has failed many times than the student have ever tried. I repeat, always remember, the teacher has failed many times than the students have ever tried. Believe me. So have an attitude of never give up to sustain and flourish in life. Tip number 13. Be funny and don't be serious always. Okay? No one likes boring and serious people. Everyone enjoys the company of someone who makes them laugh. Do not beat around the bush just to make others laugh. Try to add fun while having the conversations. Others will naturally be attracted to you. This will also develop the sense of humor in you. Researchers study the person who is good in humor attracts people very easily. So keep that in mind. So after giving these 13 tips of personality development, I hope you all understand these 13 tips. You should all follow these tips in your daily life to live a better future and be successful after developing your personality. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned from this video. Thanks for watching.